Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Wrike Free Plan step by step. If you're just getting started and want to organize your work without paying, this guide covers everything you need. All right, first, create a free Wrike account. Go to wrike.com and choose the free plan. Enter your email, set a password, and follow the sign-up steps. Once you're in, this is your dashboard. The free plan gives you access to tasks, basic views, and folders. So you won't see advanced stuff like reports or automation, but you still get plenty to organize work. To create a task, click the Add Task button or plus icon. Give it a title, maybe a short description, and then save it. Simple, right? This is how you track work day to day on the free plan. Next, group similar tasks into folders. You can make a folder for projects, clients, or categories of work. I mean, even with the free plan, this makes everything easier to find later. On the free plan, you can use list and board views to see your work. Board view is great if you like dragging tasks between columns like to do, in progress, and done. Add due dates so you know when tasks need to get done. You can also assign tasks to yourself or teammates. So even on the free plan, you can still clarify who's doing what and when. When you open a task, you can leave comments and attach files. This keeps everything related to the task in one place instead of scattered in chats or emails. And that's how you use the Wrike Free Plan step by step. It's a solid way to manage basic work without paying. If you need more features later, you can always upgrade. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.